is my favorite paleo breakfast. Add 1 cup rinsed quinoa to a pan along with a 1/4 teaspoon sea salt, 1/2 tablespoon cinnamon, and 2 cups of water. Stir and simmer on low heat for 15 to 18 minutes. Cover and don't forget to set your timer. Meanwhile, add some coconut oil to a medium-hot non-stick pan and pour in scrambled eggs. Turn eggs once they start setting up in the bottom of the pan, then turn frequently to prevent overcooking. Add some coconut cream and 1/2 sliced banana to quinoa and serve with eggs.